The new Scrambler 400XC is built strong. From its beautifully crafted spoked wheels and tubeless tires to tough protection features and purposeful high-level front mudguard. Embrace the thrill and discover the freedom to venture off the beaten track. With strong low-end torque and flexible performance that adapts to any riding scenario, the TR series engine's characterful power delivery is rich and rewarding, with a deep and distinctive soundtrack. Its classic looks are enhanced by the latest riding technology, seamlessly integrated to deliver timeless style with modern capability. The Scrambler 400XC is equipped with the latest rider-focused technology to enhance every ride. Switchable traction control and a dedicated off-road ABS mode provide complete confidence and control when conditions get tough, while a convenient USB-C port ensures power to your mobile devices on longer adventures. The Scrambler 400XC is as purposeful as it is unmistakable. The upright riding position and wide bars combine with a seat height of 835 mm for superior visibility, confidence and control. 43 mm big piston upside-down front forks and the piggyback RSU with preload adjustment to a powerful and progressive 4-piston radial caliper and large 320 mm front brake disc. Protection for both bike and rider. A rugged high-level front mudguard, color-coded fly screen and hand guards shield the rider in tough conditions, while an aluminium sump guard, engine bars and headlight grille safeguard the bike's vital components. The stainless steel spoked wheels with lightweight aluminium rims and larger 19-inch front are side-laced. So not only are they ready for off-road exploration, they're beautifully crafted too. Premium branded tubeless tires provide confidence wherever the path leads. Style with substance. The Scrambler's design incorporates hallmark Triumph features, from the signature sculpted fuel tank with knee indents, rubber knee pads and classic engine profile with Triumph triangle badge, to the finned head and header clamps and flowing upswept silencer. The Scrambler 400XC stands out with a high specification and top drawer finish, meticulously crafted with unparalleled attention to detail. From the black powder-coated engine casing and machined cooling fins, to the cast aluminium swing arm and gold anodized forks, the devil really is in the details.